Hello everyone, welcome back to Hobbyist Artist. Today we're drawing one of the wisest and strongest warriors in the Dragon Ball universe, Piccolo. Piccolo is known for his calm personality, incredible intelligence and unmatched fighting spirit. His iconic appearance makes him one of the most recognizable anime characters ever created. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete drawing process so you can recreate this powerful character with confidence. Let's begin by lightly sketching the overall head shape. At this stage, don't worry about perfection. Focus on getting the proportions right. Since this artwork uses a side profile, carefully establish the angle of the jaw, forehead and chin. Next, we'll draw Piccolo's sharp facial features. His eyes are narrow and intense, giving him his serious expression. Pay attention to the shape of the brow line and nose because these small details create the character's powerful presence. Now it's time for one of Piccolo's most iconic features, his long Namekian ears. Their unique shape instantly makes the drawing recognizable. Take your time adding the inner ear details, while keeping the lines clean and sharp. After finishing the face, we move on to the head wrap and flowing cape. Instead of drawing random folds, imagine how fabric naturally bends and overlaps. Long, confident strokes will make the cloth look realistic and dynamic. With the basic sketch complete, it's time to start inking. This is where the artwork truly comes alive. Use thicker lines around the outer edges of the character to create depth, while thinner lines are perfect for facial details and texture. Now let's add dramatic shadows. Since the light source comes from one direction, one side of Piccolo's face remains brightly illuminated while the opposite side stays almost completely black. This strong contrast creates an eye-catching manga effect that makes the artwork look bold and cinematic. Continue adding shadows throughout the neck, clothing and cape. Remember that shadows should enhance the form, rather than hide the details. Working slowly and carefully produces much cleaner results. To make the drawing even more dynamic, add small texture lines across the fabric and skin. These tiny details may seem simple, but they give the artwork much more depth and energy. Finally, clean the page, erase any remaining pencil marks, and add bright white highlights if you're using a gel pen. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like, subscribe to Hobbyist Artist, and share this video with your fellow anime fans. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to create even more drawing tutorials for you. Also, let me know in the comments which Dragon Ball character you'd like to see next. Whether it's Goku, Vegeta, Gohan, Broly, Frieza, or another favourite, I'd love to draw them in future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay creative, keep drawing every day, and I'll see you in the next video.